It's me.
No, it's not me.
Please go back to your seat.
I'm Mrs. Iglesias.
All right, we are in the Marmorosch Hotel in Bucharest. It is an autograph collection. Say it right. Say it.
Marmorosch.
Marmorosch. So we are in Bucharest, Romania, and it is an autograph collection hotel. So we're
Bonvoy.
Simple Jack, the story of a mentally impaired farmhand who can talk to animals.
Bonvoy, and we're in the Silver King guest room. So I wanted to give you a quick tour. As you come in the door, you almost hit you. There's a closet, nice storage space here. You've got some empty drawers. You have your Book of Mormon, and then the shoe bag or the laundry bag if you want to get anything laundered. You have your ironing board, iron, suitcase holder. What are these called? We're so tired. We didn't sleep. Hangers. You have hangers. You got slippers, your house shoes, and then you got 2 robes. And then we have here the hot water maker. We have a cappuccino machine, like a coffee machine. You have your coffees up top there. You have your safe. And then you have a, a mini fridge with nothing in there, which is nice because we empty it out always anyways. And then we end up putting our cream that we like to get for our coffee. And then the ceilings are really high, which makes it feel extra spacious, so that is lovely. But we're gonna do our little bed test. We've gotten no sleep. Oh, and it shows. Let's see how the bed is feeling. All right. Okay. Bed feels good. Not too hard, not too soft. Oh, that actually hurt my knee. That was kind of stupid. Pillow test. Ooh, that was weird. They're like, it feels like a stuffed animal. You know, like how they have like chunky cotton. So we'll see all that one. Okay, you've got your tuner for your TV. If you got a TV, you probably can't understand any of the channels. You have a nice place here to put any knickknacks, paddywhacks. You've got ample lighting. The art in this hotel is actually really cool. I've really enjoyed some of the pieces. Reading light. Does this control anything? No, just lights. So you have to pull the curtains close yourself. We have a nice little seating area here. They gave us 2 waters. And then the view is actually pretty spectacular. It is interesting though. So if you look closely, it looks like crazy rundown abandoned buildings, but they're beautiful in some kind of like sketchy, sad kind of way. But people actually live in there, and I thought they were abandoned. So that's interesting. But it's beautiful. We've got lots to see at this hotel, and let's go check out the bathroom. All right. I love this marble detailing. That's nice. Actually, I don't think it's marble. But spacious shower, you've got your disconnecting head, and then your rain shower, rainfall. They're using, what brand is, oh, I think I like this. Let's see. Oh, it's amber, mandarin, and saddlewood. All of my favorite scents. Which one is the lotion?
It's called the White Company.
White Company. Yes. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, I hope this wasn't the soap. And then yeah, it's your basic bathroom. So we unfortunately did not upgrade, but I can imagine that the upgraded rooms are probably pretty spectacular.
One learning point for us, new relatively to this new nightly suite upgrade. With being a platinum member, you get 5 nightly suite upgrades per year, and I could have used one for this. It has to be used up to a day prior, so all the way up to a day prior of checking in to your stay, and then you can request a suite. We did that for the second night. We'll show you that at the JW Marriott tomorrow, but we are adequately lathered up and ready.
And we will show you the rest of the hotel. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. These paintings throughout the place. Who are you talking to? Oh, so beautiful. This is the foyer. No, the lobby. Very cool. yeah, that would be good over there.
Perfect.
Thank you.
The breakfast is served by the bathroom. Coffee machine on the left. We have juices on the front where is the shady omelette and pie.
Do you speak any English?
And on the table you find that short menu, which is
Thank you so much. We were just off to the races. Okay. Do what?
Still your data.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yikes. An omelet bar. There's the meats. So I'm getting me some lox. Okay.
They have both a buffet and they have a la carte menu that you can order from at this breakfast. What does it include? Truffle omelets? Shakshuka? Yeah, probably get one of everything just to try it out. We'll let you know how it goes.
All right, as you can see, we are in a dark, deep dungeon.
Don't use that voice.
There's
Don't use that voice.
the gym is nice and big. It's got all the equipment that you would need. Free weights, cardio, the pulley machines, a hunk.
Huh?
Oh, nice. And then you've even got some like weightlifting type for quads, hamstrings. Nice. Very good. And water is included, mats, towels.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let